Welcome back to our channel Respect Education. Okay, now we see an in-text question that is there in the page number 109. The question number is 1. That is, a bus starting from rest moves with a uniform acceleration of 0.1 ms per minus 2. It can also be read as 0.1 meter per second square for 2 minutes. Now the question is that find first bit the speed acquired and second bit is the distance travelled. So here there are two bits. First one is finding the speed and second one is finding the distance travelled by the bus during these 2 minutes. Now here let us note down the given data. Given a bus starting from rest. This sentence is very important. It will give us a small clue. If any object is starting from rest, then it does not have any kind of initial velocity. So its initial velocity is 0. It won't be given directly. But here we need to understand in which case final velocity will be 0. Final velocity will be 0 if the object applies brakes and it comes to rest. In this case it is starting from rest, that's why here in this case initial velocity is 0. So let us write given initial velocity that denoted by u is 0. Here is it is in meter per second square. So let us write 0 meter per second. Right. Since you can write the reason, the bus starting from rest. It starts from rest. Right. Now with a uniform acceleration. Here acceleration that is denoted by a is given as 0.1 meter per second square. Clear? It can also be written as 1 by 10 meter per second square, because 0.1 is nothing but 1 by 10. Right. For 2 minutes. So time taken denoted by t is 2 minutes. Let us convert into seconds. Why? Because here initial velocity is second, it is in seconds, same acceleration is in meter per second square. So here in both the things second is there, second. So let us convert this into seconds. 1 minute is 60 seconds, so 2 minutes is 2 into 60 seconds. 2 into 60 seconds, that is nothing but 120 seconds. Now here first bit is the speed acquired, nothing but final velocity. So here let us solve the first bit, that is the speed acquired. The speed acquired is nothing but v, that is what here question mark. Its units will be, since the initial velocity meter per second, time is in second, acceleration is also meter per second square, so the speed also will be in meter per second only. Now here the speed acquired speed is nothing but its final velocity. So here this is nothing but final velocity. Final velocity that is denoted by v. This is what question mark. So meter per second. Right. Now here we need to find the value. Now here you observe this object or bus. It is moving with uniform acceleration. Very important point it is. If any object is moving with uniform acceleration, its motion can be described using 3 equations. Let us see what are those 3. First one is v is equal to u plus at. Second one is s is equal to ut plus 1 by 2 at square of at square. Third one is 2as is equal to v square minus u square. We can use any one of the equations to solve this problem. Here you observe carefully. We know u, a and t, and we need to find v, for which this first equation is suitable. All these characters are there. So let us write we have, or we know that v is equal to u plus at. Substitute all the known values. V is not known. Let us write v as it is. U is 0 plus a is here 1 by 10 into t is here 120 seconds. So let us write 120. Let us do cancellation here. 0 get cancelled. So here we get v is equal to 0 plus 1 12 is 12. 0 plus 12 is 12. As I told you, its unit is meter per second. First bit is completed. The speed acquired by the bus after 2 minutes is 12 meter per second. Now let us move forward to solve the second bit. Now you see here, second bit is the distance travelled. The distance travelled denoted by s. That is what we need to find, question mark. What about the units? It is in meter per second. Initial velocity, final velocity also meter per second. Time is in second. Acceleration is meter per second square. Everywhere meter is there if you observe carefully. So distance will be in meters only. How many meters? That is what we are going to find. Here you observe the equations. First one, it does not have s. So to find s, first one is not at all suitable. In the second one, s is there. S equal ut plus half at square. Second one can be used for finding s. In this third one, 2as equal v square minus u square. So third one has, the third equation also has s. That's why here you can use either second one or third one. Here I am taking the third one because that is easy for solving. So here we have 2as is equal to v square minus u square. Even you can use the second equation also, then also you will get the same answer. Okay. Now here let us substitute the given values. 2 let us write as it is into a. A means here 1 by 10. 2 into a is 1 by 10. Into s, let us write s as it is because that is what we need to find. V square is 12 square minus u square is 0 square. So it is 12 square minus 0 square. Let us simplify here. 2 1s are 2. So it is 2 by 10. 2 by 10 into s is 12 square is 144. 144 minus 0 is 144. Now for simplification, s equal to, let us write 144 as it is. Send 2 by 10 to the right side. It becomes 10 by 2. Clear? Now here cancellation. This is 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 2 2s are 2 72s are 144. So finally here s is 70 to 10s are 720. I told you units already meters. So let us write the conclusion. Therefore, here read the question. The speed acquired, first bit. The speed acquired is, the speed acquired is here nothing but v, 12 meter per second, and second bit is the distance travelled is, distance travelled is nothing but 720 meters. So with this problem number 1 gets completed. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and please do not forget to press the bell button so that you will get the notifications from our channel. Thank you very much.